Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Still, if you want to make absolutely sure you're up to date, you can easily find out what version of AirPods firmware your earphones are running by opening the iPhone your pods are paired to, then tapping Settings, General, About greater than AirPods with the charging case open next to your phone.
Let's help you make your mark.
To check your AirPods firmware version, connect them to your iPhone and open the Settings app. Then tap General, About, and scroll down until you see the name of your AirPods. Tap it and you'll see info like the model number, serial number, and firmware version.
Take our lead.
Unfortunately, there are no release notes for AirPods firmware updates. This means we'll have to wait until the update is fully rolled out to get a grasp on what's new. Apple does not have a very robust update mechanism in place for AirPods software, which often leaves users in the dark about changes.
Let's help you make your mark.
1. Factory reset. Press and hold the setup button for at least 15 seconds. Hold the button until the status light starts flashing amber a few times and then flashes white. Your AirPods have now been fully reset. You will need to repair your AirPods to your devices in order to use them again.
Let's help you make your mark.
Its original firmware was version 3.3.1. In February 2017, Apple released version 3.5.1, 3.7.2 in May 2017, and then 6.3.2 on March 26, 2019. In July 2019, version 6.7.8 was released and 6.8.8 followed in September 2019. The latest firmware is 3A283, G2 and Pro.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.